What's good, YouTube? It's your girl, Allie in the cut with another little banger. And today, yo guys, we will be doing the funny noise challenge. Whoever laughs is out. Ma.
Doing, 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 doing.
Poof.
Moving all out.
Alright. You got that one, you got that one, you got that one.
Oink, 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 movie all out again. That too.
Give me my sippy cup.
Me?
I need my fucking sippy cup.
You out on your own shit. Me and Goofy have squashed the beat.
Say, fuck that bitch.
Hey.
Please don't.
Let's see. Take quiet. Don't get it double. Ooh. Bad. Whoa. Bitch. No.
Yes, sir. Team Allie in the cut. Team Allie in the cut.
Nigga, you still. I want 2. 1. You only got 1.
I bet you got 0. Shit.
Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Pussy! We gonna kill you with our guns. Oh my God! Look, it's a bitch.
Shoot the link. God damn. I'm back my neck. Swipe.
Swipe.
Soup. Y'all out. The fuck? Just bacon.
Let me smell it.
Smell it.
Make you look.
Ugly.
Alright.
That's what started.
Well, we cannot do no video high,
Bro, come on, bro.
bro.
What's good, YouTube? Hey, bro, we just had to start this video off right, but we've been playing, we've been bullshitting, y'all. We'll be back. Hold on. We back, y'all, boy. We back and we better. Y'all, boy, about to be 2022, 2021 was not it. Yes, it's giving pretty much. Yeah. But anyways, like I was saying in my previous clip, 2021 was not a good year. It really wasn't. It was bullshit. But y'all, we about to be sophomore spring semester.
No, we about to be juniors next year. Oop. And a oop. Look at this nigga, bro.
Look at this dude. Oh!
No, bitch. Say what that bitch said. That's so
Oh, she's so ill. Yo.
I know you fucking not.
She look nasty.
I do you.
Hey, who look nasty?
I know you took it.
Who look nasty?
You want to sleep?
Who body had a little bad, bro? Who body had a little bad? Nigga always down there, y'all boys. We finally out the car, you feel what I'm saying? Me and my boy, you feel me? They about to go to Cal. You feel me? They about to chill in that bit a little bit and we'll catch out when we back out smoking, you heard?